Hey guys, it's Danny here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about when it comes to troubleshooting any kind of under-counter coolers that have a front air breathing condenser coil. What that means is that the air from this condenser coil is going to shoot out the front here. Now, basically all I want to say is that anytime you are working on one of these systems, what you want to do is when you hook up your gauges, in this case, here's our pressures. What you want to do is don't be fooled by these numbers. What you have to do before you look at your pressures is you have to put on the back cover. Now you guys are going to see what happens to my pressures as soon as I put this cover on. So, whoops, here, let me do this. Okay, so see my pressures are going through the roof. Now as soon as I put this cover on, look what happens to both my pressures. See? My high pressure, my high side is going down, and my low side. So just bear with me, I'm gonna put on the screws and we're gonna see what the pressure looks like after that. Okay, so after putting on majority of the screws, my compressor cut off, but I'm gonna wait now until so I just put on all the screws, well, most of them, and the cover is now firmly on, and now my pressures are 275 on the high and the low side is around 25. So just by putting on the cover made a huge difference on both my pressures. So next time when you're working on one of these units, these under-counter coolers that have the condenser fan motor blowing it out through the front, the hot air, just remember to do all your troubleshooting with the cover on. It would just make everything more easier for you guys to figure out what the problem is of the case that you guys are working on.